Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your data in Shopify effectively. Whether you're running a small online boutique or managing a large e-commerce platform, understanding your store's analytics is crucial because it directly impacts the decisions you make. Shopify provides built-in features that make it easy to see how your store is doing at a glance, helping you quickly spot trends and changes. But for those looking for more in-depth analysis, there are additional tools available. So let's get started and explore these essential features together. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. And once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a panel containing various options that control different parts of your store. One of the key tabs you should familiarize yourself with is Analytics. By clicking on this tab, you immediately gain access to an array of data and statistics that tell you how your Shopify store is performing on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. The Analytics section gives you a comprehensive overview of vital metrics, such as total sales, conversion rates, average order value, and more. These insights are invaluable and help you understand your strengths and potential areas for improvement, like which products are selling best or where customers might be dropping off. This data is presented in an easy-to-read format with graphs and charts, which makes it accessible even if numbers aren't your strong suit, and allows you to quickly spot patterns and trends. Now, while Shopify's built-in analytics are pretty robust, sometimes you might want even more detailed data or specialized insights that cater to your specific needs. For this, you'll want to consider third-party analytical tools, especially if you're running marketing campaigns or want deeper customer insights. Head over to the Shopify App Store, which is conveniently accessible within your bowling. Shopify Dashboard. This is where you can search for and discover a range of apps designed to provide enhanced analytical capabilities. Simply type Analytics into the search bar, and you'll be presented with a variety of applications that offer deeper insights into customer behavior, detailed sales tracking, and much more, such as cohort analysis or advanced reporting. Each app comes with its own unique features, so be sure to read reviews and descriptions to find the one that best suits your business needs and budget. Some apps might even offer free trials, giving you a chance to test out their features before committing. Remember, the key to growing your online business is understanding your customers and your performance regularly, not just checking numbers once in a while. Checking your analytics helps you see what's working and what needs adjustment, whether that's your product pricing, marketing strategy, or website layout. Invest some time in exploring both Shopify's own analytic offerings and third-party tools to ensure you have the most comprehensive view of your data. And that's all there is to it. With these tools at your disposal, you're well-equipped to track your data in Shopify and make informed decisions to drive your business forward. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips and tutorials to help you thrive in the e-commerce world. Until next time, happy selling.